Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this video, we'll walk through the step-by-step process of creating Freshdesk tickets directly from chatbot messages using Communicate. Let's dive in. To do this, you need to have a Communicate account. If you don't have one yet, sign up now using the link given in the description for absolutely free and try it out. The benefits of this integration include reducing agent workload, improving first contact resolution, data collection, reducing wait times, and personalized interactions. Now step 1 involves logging into your Freshdesk account, navigating to your profile settings. Under Profile Settings, you will be able to view and obtain your API key. In step 2, we'll create a button named Create a Support Ticket in Communicate that triggers the ticket creation process when clicked. Let's go to Bot Says. Click on More here and click on Custom to enter our custom payload code. Here, let's enter our code that involves adding the form payload in Communicate, specifying the fields like email, subject, and description. Once this is done, let's click on Train Bot and move on to the next intent. Let's name this intent as Please Wait while we are creating the ticket. Here we will add an inline code. For this you need to turn the dynamic message on. Here, we will select the inline code and add the code that we created. Dear viewers, to make your job easier, we have mentioned both the codes in our description. Feel free to use it for this tutorial. In this inline code, there are a few lines where you have to change as per your API key, URL, etc. These things are also mentioned in detail in the blog link mentioned in the description. Now you are able to see the tickets created on the Freshdesk dashboard. And there you have it. You have integrated Freshdesk with your favorite chatbot builder, Communicate. Sign up for free through the link given in the description and get a hands-on experience on our generative AI-powered Superbot. Subscribe and stay updated.